Hello everyone, I'm Mudit Jain, ex-IPS, ex-IRS. I wrote 5 prelims, I cleared 4 of them. I wrote 4 mains, I cleared all of them. I gave 4 interviews and got 3 selections, that is with rank 222, 207 and 173. काफ़ी लोगों को ये ऑलरेडी पता होगा, आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे मैं दोबारा ये रिपीट क्यों कर रहा हूँ. This is to tell you that I have always held that, I have always believed that all of what I was able to achieve in my UPSC journey as an aspirant is solely because of the way I used to read newspaper. We have discussed this n number of times कि न्यूज़पेपर पढ़ना चाहिए नहीं पढ़ना चाहिए, क्या फ़ायदे हैं क्या नुकसान है, प्री में कितने क्वेश्चन आएंगे नहीं आएंगे, अब उन सब का टाइम जा चुका. देर आर लेस देन 40 days remaining and what I have for you right now is possibly the biggest gift that I can give you guys with respect to current affairs. That is my very hard earned, hard made compilation of 10 months of current affairs spanning from May 2024 to Feb 2025. For these 10 months, we had jotted down, we had collected 5,000 plus articles from various newspapers, online sites, magazines, PIB, etc. etc. Then we jotted down those articles, concised them, arranged them topic wise, and finally, now we have arrived at 370 pages of compilation of all the current affairs of last 10 months spanning across 1418 टॉपिक्स. तो वो जो 5000 आर्टिकल थे वो रिपीटेड आर्टिकल्स थे, तो कॉमन आर्टिकल्स को हमने एक ही हेड में सबस्यूम कर दिया है. सो नाउ वी हैव 1418 डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स spanning across just 370 pages with all current affairs, with all static. The link of the PDF is available in the description section. You can download it from there. Let me now explain you, let me now help you in knowing how to go through this PDF और इसमें क्या है क्या क्या है. ठीक है, this will clear your doubt कि this is a one stop source. So first thing first, now there are 10 or 11 different sections. Firstly, history, then geography, then society, places in news, IR, polity, social justice and governance, economy, agriculture, science and tech, security, disaster management, environment, etc. So all that is required is covered. Plus there are miscellaneous topics as well. For example, you must be knowing that UPSC has started asking questions related to sports, related to random personalities in news. All of that is also covered in my notes. So I'll briefly take you through the index of the file so that you are able to understand it better. We start with AMAC. Then in AMAC, see how I have arranged. Now all the excavations that were in news are placed together. Then various temples that were in news are again placed together. UPSC has asked 2 questions on temples in last 5 years. Somnath temple and Chausat Yogini temple. So whatever temple was in news, I have included it. And trust me, मैंने कोई फालतू की इंफॉर्मेशन नहीं डाली है, ओवरलोड नहीं करा है. Whatever is required based on what UPSC has asked in the previous years, I have included that in my notes. Then we move on from temples to various other important AMAP topics, that is Indus Valley Civilization. I am sure you know that 100 years इसके पूरे हुए. तो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन से रिलेटेड जो न्यूज थी, आप एक रैंडम न्यूज देखोगे यहाँ पे, प्रेसिडेंट्स इनवाइट फॉर एट होम, क्योंकि जो रिपब्लिक डे की सेरेमनी है उसके बाद जो सेरेमनी है, देयर इज अ प्रॉपर इनवाइट कार्ड फॉर दैट. एंड इन दिस पर्टिकुलर एट होम सेरेमनी the invite card had certain changes, very important from exam point of view, क्योंकि उसमें southern states के articles लिए गए invite card में which have GI tags and UPSC पूछता है GI tags पे. So AMAC में हमने एक और करा, plus फिर देखो festivals. So whatever festivals and events were in news are placed together. UPSC has asked 2 questions on UNESCO sites in last 5 years or so. So whatever UNESCO related sites were in newspaper, they are also present in the notes. Then there is section of theater, dynasties are together, modern history related news, Post independence. Last year there was one question on post independence, that is 3 column match the following question. Political party, political leader was given. So that was a post independence based question, and hence I have already predicted that this year there can be questions on world history as well. So recently Jimmy Carter died. आप लिंक देखो अब इसका. Jimmy Carter had during his days entered into treaty with respect to Panama Canal. And I am sure you already know what all is happening with respect to Panama Canal since President Trump has come into power. So all these dots are connected, and now a question can be asked related to Panama Canal, maybe in places in news or maybe in context of the treaty. So I have included all of that here. Then random awards have been asked by UPSC lately. तो जितने भी इंपॉर्टेंट अवार्ड्स न्यूज़पेपर में थे मैंने वो पूरे अवार्ड्स कवर करे. GI टैग्स, पर्सनालिटीज इन न्यूज, मिसलेनियस टॉपिक्स, स्पोर्ट्स का टॉपिक देखो, खेल रत्न अवार्ड, आईसीसी हॉल ऑफ फेम, स्पोर्ट्स स्टार एसिस अवार्ड, चेस रिलेटेड न्यूज. So all of this I have covered in AMAC. Then with respect to geography, I have divided very meticulously in various subheads. For example, we start with weather prediction. So mission मौसम आ गया उसमें, या गूगल का जेनकास्ट AI आ गया. देन वी मूव ऑन टू मॉनसून. तो मॉनसून के सिस्टम डिस्कस हो गए, फिर हम साइक्लोन्स पे मूव करेंगे, एंड देन वी मूव ऑन टू द एडवांस सिस्टम्स लाइक द एमॉक सिस्टम और द एटमॉस्फेरिक रिवर्स और द स्वेल वेव्स विच वर इन न्यूज इन द लास्ट 10 months. देन हीट वेव रिलेटेड बहुत आर्टिकल्स थे, उन सबको कंसाइज करके कोशिश करें कि 6 से 7 टॉपिक्स में हीट वेव पूरा अच्छे से डिस्कस हो जाए. Critical minerals and various resources, geographical crops, etc. are placed together. So these are the crops in news. And then critical minerals, I am 100% sure now that you guys are preparing for 1 year or so, you would know that critical mineral kitna news mein hai. So critical mineral related articles, and then we move on to mining of other minerals. So coal mining, rat hole mining, mining related tragedies, Aravali mining, sad mining, PMN. PMN produces dark oxygen. I'm not sure how many of you knew it, but this was a very good article in TH this year. So polymetallic nodules at the Clipperton zone in the South Pacific are known to produce dark oxygen, which are very important for survival of the ecosystem down there. So if you are extracting polymetallic nodule, what will happen to production of dark oxygen? That can come under threat. So PMN related news is there. Various projects, geographical projects like interlinking of rivers, dams, are all placed together. Then we move on to earthquakes, tsunamis. Tsunami के 20 years पूरे में 2004 में आया था, and then it led to establishment of the Disaster Management Act and bodies related to tsunami early warning system. And Disaster Management Act में recently amendment propose हुई है. तो इन dots को जब connect करके देखोगे, I am 100% sure there can be a question around this topic. Then census related news is present not only in geography section but also in policy section because overlap hai uska. Then I have covered miscellaneous geographical articles as well. The third or the fourth important section is places in news. I am 100% sure you know that UPSC asks quite a lot question related to places in news in match the following sections. So I have divided that again in two parts, that is world and India. And in world I have focused a lot on places in conflict. If you have gone through my analysis of international relations or the mapping video that I had did before, you would already know that places in conflict पे बहुत ज़्यादा focus होता है, तो हमने पूरी news उसकी cover करी है इसमें. With respect to India, I have placed overarching focus on wildlife sanctuaries, national parks, tiger reserves, various rivers, dams, etc. and tried to cover them holistically, whatever was in news. सोसाइटी, मेनी ऑफ यू विल थिंक यार प्री में सोसाइटी का क्या काम है. सो देखो थोड़ा सब्जेक्टिविटी है. आई कुड हैव प्लेस देम इन GS2 सोशल जस्टिस एंड गवर्नेंस एज वेल, बट दीज आर सर्टेन टॉपिक्स विच आर very hardcore specific to society as such. For example, नाथ प्रथा, ये राजस्थान रिलेटेड न्यूज थी, TH में आई थी. नाउ आई हैव प्लेस दैट अंडर सेक्शन ऑफ विमेन इन सोसाइटी. So there are sections related to population data, China's population, digital population clock that was inaugurated in Bangalore, urbanization related data that सिटी इंडेक्स में, टॉम इंडेक्स में इंडिया की क्या रैंकिंग है, पॉल्यूशन वाइज क्या है, ट्रैफिक कितना है कितना नहीं है, all of that gets covered in society. Moving on to polity, I have divided the polity section into judiciary. So all the judiciary related news is together. And here as well, ऐसा नहीं है कि पहले कुछ आ गया पहले कुछ और आ गया. It has again been meticulously divided. So we start with judicial appointments, then there is impeachment, then there is a tribunal, then there are other generic judiciary related, functioning related news. For example, lady justice, या separation of power, Lokpal's jurisdiction, plea bargaining, that is alternate dispute redressal mechanism. So plea bargaining, Lok Adalat, TPLF, all of that gets covered together. And then there are various one-liner judgments as well. क्या पता यूपीएससी यही पूछ ले. लास्ट 5 साल में 2 बार यूपीएससी ने पूछा है that right to privacy comes under which article. It is article 21. I am sure you know that already. But now it can ask you that क्लाइमेट चेंज रिलेटेड आर्टिकल जो अभी सुप्रीम कोर्ट का जजमेंट आया रंजीत सिंह केस में, सो विच आर्टिकल कम्स इनटू प्ले विद रिस्पेक्ट टू क्लाइमेट चेंज, दैट एडवर्स इफेक्ट्स ऑफ क्लाइमेट चेंज के अगेंस्ट प्रिवेंशन है, दैट इज अगेन इन आर्टिकल 21. वन लर्निंग हियर इज कोई भी रैंडम राइट्स जो आ रहे हैं दैट आर मेजरली विद रिस्पेक्ट टू आर्टिकल 21. So all of that is covered here. Then we move on to citizenship, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल फीचर्स, सेक्युलरिज्म, सोशलिज्म, बहुत आर्टिकल्स है उस पर. फंडामेंटल राइट्स का मैंने पूरा एक सेपरेट सेक्शन दिया है, वल्नरेबल सेक्शन. देन रिजर्वेशन रिलेटेड न्यूज बहुत ही, आई एम श्योर यू नो, विद रिस्पेक्ट टू कास्ट बेस्ड सेंसस, ओबीसी लिस्ट एक्सेट्रा, उसका जितना भी स्टैटिक है दैट ऑल्सो इज एडेड हियर. देन बॉडीज, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल बॉडीज एंड सो ऑन. सिमिलरली there are sections with respect to economy, with respect to environment में I have specifically covered the species in news. 57 different species in news cover करी हैं. ये हेल्थ का सेक्शन आपको देख रहे हो, वेरियस डिसीजेज आर कवर्ड. जितना रिक्वायर्ड है सिर्फ उतना, ये नहीं कि फालतू का ज्ञानबाजी होगा उसमें मुझे कोई फायदा नहीं है, आपको कोई फायदा नहीं है. सो आई हैव केप्ट इट कंसाइज. Whatever relevant diseases I could find, I have mentioned them all at one place. So basically this is how I used to prepare during my days. आपको यकीन ना हो, आप मेरे ब्लॉग पे जाके देखो या गूगल करो मुदित जैन 2017 पॉलिटी नोट्स. आप गूगल करके देखो मुदित जैन 2017 पॉलिटी नोट्स. You will find the file that I had made for myself in 2017 pre and mains and I had uploaded that way back on my blog. इसमें भी सेम मेथोडोलॉजी है. ठीक है, तो ये मेथोडोलॉजी, टाइम चेंज हो सकता है, पैटर्न चेंज हो सकता है, मेथोडोलॉजी चेंज नहीं होगी. एंड आई एम 100% श्योर दैट वी विल हैव 20+ क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस वन फाइल दैट इज 370 पेजेस में. 20+ क्वेश्चंस ऑन 25th of May. आप भी यही हो, मैं भी यही हूं. वी बोथ आर हियर. We will see each other on 25th of May in the comment section of this video कि इस एक फाइल से कितने क्वेश्चंस आए. Again, the link of the PDF, my hard made compilation that I provided you all for your benefit is available in the description section. आप वहां से डाउनलोड कर सकते हो, पढ़ सकते हो. I am also planning to come up with a hard copy print of this that will be available on Amazon in 3 or 4 days time. जब वो आ जाएगा I'll update you guys with that information as well. Thank you.